Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Suzette Vibes, and I'm going to be talking about remedies for bloating and constipation. But first, if you're watching this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, would you please support my channel by subscribing? It won't cost you anything, and liking the video and sharing it to as many people as you can that will need it. All right, let me just dive into it quickly. Today I'm going to be talking about, just like I said, I'm going to be talking about bloating. I'm going to be talking about remedies of bloating and constipation. So what you're going to be needing is just items in your kitchen. It won't cost you anything. All right. So the first thing I would want you to do is to grate some ginger. Grate just a piece of ginger and squeeze out the juice of this ginger, fresh ginger, and put it aside. You'll need warm water, not hot, not cold water, just warm water for this recipe, for this remedy. Another thing you're going to be needing is half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of sea salt. So what you're going to do is your freshly squeezed out ginger, you're going to put it in a cup, add warm water to it, and squeeze out half lemon of you squeeze out your half a lemon, you squeeze it out into this warm water, and then add half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of sea salt. You're going to put it together and stir it, give it a good stir. So, and you drink it. Make sure you take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, and see how you feel. For sure you will feel very good. So once again, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, once again, please do hit the subscribe button. Bye bye, I love you.